What is going on, Ecom Patrick here, and I'm back for another video, and this video is gonna have a lot of value. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can advertise for free, especially if you do not want to spend the money to advertise. This is a way you can advertise for free. So this is actually with TikTok. So you're not gonna be running ads. What you're gonna be doing is you're gonna make a brand on TikTok. You're gonna post videos of your product, and then if it gets a lot of views, then you'll get a lot of sales, and you gotta make sure you have that link in the bio. So let me show you how you can do it too. Alright, so basically I'm going to show you guys an example of this. So here is a company right here, Clearjet. As you can see, what they do is they sell a shower head with minerals. So basically you have a shower and it's supposed to save you water and it's supposed to give you minerals, you know, like just things that can benefit a customer. So this is basically what they're advertising, and all they literally do is post videos of the shower and how it works. It's so simple and easy, and once you get that viral TikTok, you'll literally get so many sales. Just make sure you have a nice, clean, branded website. So I'm literally gonna do everything. We're gonna find a product, and then we're gonna set up the entire store around that product, and we're gonna set up the TikTok page. I'm gonna show you how I record the TikToks and everything, and how I get the music to look good with the TikTok. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like on Clearjet. So basically, as you can see here, they have 100K followers, so obviously they're doing something good. They put their link in the bio, so you can literally go to the bio, click it, and look, you go to their website, everything is there. They're obviously doing some modifications. See, this is not even a good website. You can literally make it way better, and they're definitely making sales, because like, you wouldn't be posting if you're not making sales, right? So let's see their videos. So basically what they do is, what I like to do too, the same thing, I like to reply to comments. So when somebody comments, I reply and show them the benefits of the product. As you can see, they did it really nicely here. And then you also want to use a song that is like popular right now on TikTok. So you can do that easily. Then you can also showcase the product. You don't have to answer back, just showcase the product. And then again, they do the same thing. Just respond to customers, answer the customers' questions, use a song, and get a high quality video. And that's literally it. It's so easy. You can literally free advertising. So it's all you gotta do, you know, it's so simple. So basically I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys how I can do it and how you can do it too. Alright, so the product I'm gonna make the store around is these blue light glasses. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a TikTok page around these glasses, and we're gonna advertise these glasses. So basically with these glasses, how it works is during the pandemic, with everything going on, everyone's on their computer screens, you know, damaging your eyes. So these glasses are supposed to protect your eyes from any damage in your eyes. So basically I'm gonna make some TikTok videos on it, and I'm gonna show you guys how that goes. Alright, so now we're gonna go onto my phone. So basically what I like to do first is, once I get the product from Amazon, because I want that faster shipping, right? I start to make some content of the glasses, maybe wearing the glasses, but what I like to do is not to show my face as much, just showing the product. You don't want to show yourself, just the product, right? So what I like to do is just make videos of the product and how great the product is. So basically I like to go to my camera on my phone and then just start making some content of the product. So let's get right into that. So now we're just gonna switch onto my phone. So basically, as you can see here, I like to just go on more of a 4K. Look at that, and it looks so great. All you gotta do is make videos like this. So I'm gonna start recording. Right, so just twirl the glasses around, you know, have a nice background, like look how nice that looks. Just twirl it around, you know, nothing too special. You know what I mean? And then you can always switch the background. I can go to another background here with a white background here. You know, just a video of the product. That's literally all you gotta do. All you gotta do is show a video of the product. It's literally it. So if the product works and it's successful and you want to scale it, you can even go to the next level. You can literally find influencers or hire somebody to make videos wearing the product or different things like that. There's so much potential with any product, but I'm telling you, TikTok is the way to go. So right now, after we got all this content done, then I'm gonna go onto TikTok, open an account, brand the entire TikTok page, and then we're gonna start posting on TikTok. Alright, so now everything's done. So basically I made the entire TikTok page, got the logo, got the name, put the bio together, and basically we have the entire store Strain Protect. So basically the name works for, because the glasses make you to protect from strain. So basically everything is there, so you don't damage your eyes. So basically, as you can see, I got a nice logo. All you gotta do is go on Google, find a logo of glasses, put some text under it, and that's all you got. Then also, as you can see in the bio, protect your vision, over 7,000 happy customers, write whatever you want. And then under that, you want to put get your strain protect with emojis. So as you can see, you want to make sure that you have it as a business account so you can actually put a link in your bio, because you got to make sure that's the number one thing. You got to have that link in the bio. If you have no link in the bio, then you're going to have a lot of problems. Without a link in the bio on your TikTok page, if your video goes viral and gets a lot of views, then a customer won't be able to go and buy it, You're gonna lose a potential customer. So it's really important to have that link in the bio. So all you gotta do is go to your settings. You wanna make sure that you have a business account on TikTok, because with no business account, then you won't be able to put that link in the bio. So you gotta make sure you're able to put the link in the bio. So basically all you gotta do then is go to edit profile, then website, and then you just write your website. So I'm just gonna put strainprotect.com, and then you just save it, and then basically that's it. So basically that's everything to do with making the entire profile look branded and clean and professional. So now I'm gonna go on to making that video. So basically what you want to do is you just want to go here to the plus, then you want to go to your videos. So as you can see here, we got the video. So basically with the video, I'm just gonna go to next. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this video. So I like to just do it like short, maybe like 7 seconds. Right, so just somewhere there. Just wanna make sure it's 7 seconds. So you put it 7 seconds. Then next. Okay, so it's processing. So just twirl the glasses around. And then you wanna go to your sounds. So basically what I like to do is I like to save my sounds. So I put sounds in my favorite section so then I can have those sounds always. This helps a lot in order to have those sounds that are very popular right now, You want to make sure you have the best popular sounds. So basically, I'm just gonna use a random one. So we're just gonna TikTok. Some random one, whatever. So usually you want to have good TikTok sounds. So then, okay, and then we're gonna go into volume. Turn off the original volume and then leave the background song only, because you don't want yourself talking or any other sounds in it. So basically all we're gonna do is like we're gonna show the benefits of the product. So like say goodbye to or you can already say goodbye to poor vision, something like that, you know what I mean? I like to usually do like this font. So you just be like, say goodbye to poor vision. And then you want to do this whole time. And then that's literally it. Like you're literally posting a video of your product, how it looks, and that's basically it. So you just say goodbye to poor vision. You can obviously do way more than that, but I'm just showing you as an example. You can even go say goodbye to poor vision, half of the video, and then the other half you can be like, say goodbye to poor vision, and then after you say, oh, with the strain glasses that can protect your eyes when you're watching on a screen, like something like that. Just make it short, sweet, and clean and professional. And then once you get a couple posts done, get some comments going, you start replying the comments with different videos. So you go here, and then all you gotta do is cover here. You can see, just want to do like a nice, the best photo you can get. So that one looks pretty good. It's basically just the glasses going back and forth. And basically, that's basically it, And then you want to use your hashtags. You want to do whatever hashtags relate to the product, and you literally have free advertising. You literally don't have to pay anything. This is all you do. Make content and then post it onto TikTok. It's like the easiest way to make sales without having to spend the money, It's good that TikTok is here now, because when I started dropshipping, there was no TikTok. You have to do Facebook ads, influencer ads, and that all costs money. So it's a good thing that TikTok is here now, because you can really use TikTok to advertise for free, and then once you get that money, you can even advertise on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, even paid TikTok ads too. It's better to not spend too much money at first, because you want to understand how TikTok works, how advertising works, if your product's really a good product and if it's actually going to sell. So it's very important to start off on TikTok, and that's what I would strongly suggest. So hopefully you did enjoy that video, and now you know how to advertise on TikTok for free. So basically I use this for all my stores. I run Facebook ads, paid ads, everything, but I also make sure to do TikTok ads because it literally gets me free sales. All I do is use this background, make videos on my product, you know, and that's all. And I literally get sales from there, and I also grow my brand. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.